The car zooms through the jungle, dodging trees and swinging from vines. The kids in the car are laughing, holding on to the steering wheel, and bouncing up and down as the car moves over rocks and streams. Show the car climbing up a tall hill, with the kids looking excited, and then zooming down fast, with wind rushing through their hair. They see animals like lions and elephants as they drive. The car takes wild turns through the jungle, with kids swinging from side to side, pretending to drive fast. The jungle is full of life, with monkeys swinging from vines and birds flying overhead. As the ride slows down, the car gently rolls to a stop, and the kids wave goodbye to the jungle animals, excited for the next adventure.
Let's go.